The next thing we're going to work on is going to be 1099 INT, which is right here. What we're going to do is look at the 1099 INT. We're going to go to Lacerte page 11, and then we're going to review it after we input it on Schedule B Part 1. So let's go to page 11, and then here's an example of this. We're just going to first enter in the name of the bank, Bank of America. Everything here, like the employer ID number, phone number, address, you don't need to worry about that for this form. All you have to worry about is the name of the bank and also how much to enter in. So right here, box 1. This one doesn't show the numbers like how it does on the W-2. You should just have to know exactly where it goes. So for this one, it's going to be box 1 is actually going in this box right here. So we'll just go 16. And that's really it when it comes to the 1099 INT. So we finished this one. Let's move on to the next one. And this one has a little bit more information. So we just have to make sure that we're looking at it correctly. So let me enter in the name of the bank. And then here you can see that there's different lines that shows you what they have. We have to make sure we're only capturing the interest portion. So here they have two accounts. One account paid $20 and the other account paid $17.86. I don't need to enter each one individually. I'm just going to combine it right here, shows the total, and we're just going to use the total. And that's all we need to do. So we enter right there and we are done. Next one, US Bank. We're just going to do the same thing. US Bank. And if there's an account number, you can enter in the account number. So let's just say the account number here is 22. As it shows down here, and we're just going to enter in the amount that's shown in box 1, and that's really it. And we are done entering 1099 INT into Lacerte. Now what we have to do is go into the tax return itself and make sure that we entered everything correctly. So let me go back to the first one, and if you go to the inputting guide, it says to go to Schedule B Part 1. So Schedule B Part 1 is over here. We go down here, Schedule B Part 1 is up here. So let's go to each of our form. $15 looks good. That's there. The next one is $38. That looks good. And 183 is right there. So that looks good. Perfect. So now we checked everything. We entered everything in page 11. We checked it on page Schedule B Part 1. Now we are done with interest.